Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete posts in Instagram app. Don't forget to please, friends, subscribe to our channel. Be sure, friends, put your likes under this video and also please write your comments after watching it. Well, let us be on our way with you. And in order for you to delete any post on Instagram, open this app. After that, go to the Posts option. And let's you and I write some post. After that, friends, send it. And now look, there are a couple of methods. The first one is to press hold on the message and at the bottom select the Cancel Send section. That way, friends, you'll be able to cancel the sending of that message. But keep in mind that this option, it only works for a limited time. Also, when you want to delete your message, you can click on it, hold, and at the bottom click Delete for you. As you can see, you can only delete a message for yourself. Your conversation partner will still view it, and it will not be deleted on both sides. If you want to delete someone else's message, you will have to click and hold on that message. Then you can also select the option to delete for you only. And then at the bottom click Delete for you. As you can see, messages, they are not deleted from both sides at the same time, so you can only delete them for yourself. If you would like to delete the entire conversation at once, then click and hold on that conversation. Please select the Delete section. Confirm your action with, and the conversation will be deleted. These are the methods you will be able to delete posts from Instagram app. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please, friends, don't forget to put your likes. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and write comments. Bye everyone.